Assalamualaikum, this is Kurtalan Arif and you are watching NEWS360 exclusive. As we have uploaded a show on gang rape incident at artistic millionaire company, which was a total fake news and we didn't follow the journalistic ethics properly. So today we are discussing about that and we have Mr. Shabih Khan with us. Mr. Shabih Khan, just tell us where we went wrong.
First of all, I must say to err is human. People make mistakes. Yes, this is true. But what we did was completely wrong. We should have properly investigated the issue. It was reported on the night of 5th September to us, to me, myself, by my reporter that something has happened at Artistic Milliners and something. I had sent him on September 6th morning to the factory. But the factory management didn't cooperate with us. This is what we had stated in public media as well. But now what we didn't follow, this is where we went wrong. The wrong thing we did, that we didn't follow up the story well. We should have gone through the procedure. We should have contacted police. We should have contacted Kati and everybody to investigate the issue and then upload our video. But we were wrong about it. We were in a haste and we did what was very awfully wrong. We uploaded a video fully loaded against the artistic milliners. Allegations after allegations were coming through our mouths and that was wrong of us. So we should have tendered apology earlier, but now we are tendering apology and we owe it to them, and because we made mistakes, and journalistic ethics comes into place when you have to investigate these issues and go ahead with it.
Oh, sir, so do you think that tendering the apology will recover their damage, as we have done many programs on the incident? So it will ultimately damage their image internationally?
Yes. It has badly damaged their reputation internationally. Their tenders have been blocked or cancelled. Their orders were cancelled internationally, globally. So what we are doing today is tendering apology to him. Whether it is sufficient or not, I'm sure that is not sufficient at all, but this is all we can do. And by tendering apology and uploading on the YouTube, uploading this video on the YouTube is also going to damage our reputation as well. Because being a media organization, if we haven't done our job well and we haven't investigated these things comfortably or particularly, then this is also going to damage us. But we have to reciprocate it that way, because our earlier video has damaged the other party as well, artistic milliners, and we have to repent that. So this is why we are doing it.
Okay, sir, so what kind of SOPs should we follow as a media channel, as a web channel, to after having this issue?
There should be now a strict SOP in place in NEWS360 for these kind of issues, because although I just followed what journalistic ethics demand, I had sent reporter there on the field, on the ground, on the location to gather the data. But unfortunately, the other party didn't cooperate with us, and I just don't want to dig into that any further. But yes, we have to put up a strong SOP now. We have to follow the journalistic codes and ethics. We have to investigate every issue threadbare before going on air or before writing anything about it. Also, we have to be very clear what we are doing, because ultimately, if we are doing anything wrong, it is going to badly damage the other party we are doing story about. We have to be very particular about the other party which is being accused of any wrongdoing. So we have to put up a strong SOP, and I've already directed the concerned authorities to do that. So having said that, although the damage has been done, and now we are damaging ourselves by doing this video, but that is what you have to pay if you are going to do something wrong. And yes, we are sorry for that. We are tendering apology, and we'll do our utmost to follow the journalistic ethics in future.
Sir, what do you think? What is the message for every media channel working here, especially after seeing our situation and the steps that we had done wrongly in the past?
To be very honest, fake news is a real thing. This is what I have learned lesson from this news which we had spread, unfortunately. Fake news is a real thing. It's a new thing in the world of digital media, social media especially, where there is no facts and figures available. We should, the journalist should verify facts and then state them or utter them or upload videos about them. Fake news is a reality, and everybody is confronting it. We have confronted it. We have been damaged by it, and we have done damage to others by spreading fake news. In this case, particular case, artistic Milliners case, and we should repent it. Meaning that repenting it is not that we should bang our heads on the walls, but we should follow strict code of ethics of journalism. We have to dig in details. We have to send our reporters back to back again and again. Even if the other party is not cooperating with us, we should send our reporters again and again to the parties concerned and get their stated positions from them, because the other party should state whether if they are wrong or right. I just don't mind. If they are saying that we didn't commit it, okay, we should report it. Otherwise, that is what goes wrong, is that in this particular case, we uploaded a full loaded video against them, and that was wrong on our part. So yes, fake news is real. They have been hit by it. We were the part of that thing, of that scheme of the thing, and we should repent it. And being sorry means that we will not do it in future. We should be abhorring it. That's all I can say.
So this is all from our side, and apologies the only thing that we can do from our side to the Artistic Millionaire Company. Thank you so much.